You're listening to the International Moving Podcast, your guide to moving to another country, brought to you by SDC International Shipping, LA's finest. An international move is exciting. It's a time to start over, establish a new business maybe, reestablish family ties, or retire where your budget will do more for you. Please enjoy today's episode, and if you have any questions about your international move, give us a call at 888-779-3962. That's 888-779-3962.
Welcome to another episode where we dive into the world of international relocations. Are you dreaming of a new life across the pond? Whether you're moving for work, family, or the adventure of a fresh start in a new country, navigating the complexities of an overseas move can be daunting. Today, we're going to show you how SDC International Shipping can help you with a seamless moving experience, from packing all the way to delivery. Moving internationally involves a series of important decisions and logistical challenges. One of your most crucial choices is selecting the right overseas moving company. The right mover can ensure your belongings are safely transported and your transition is seamless. Let's dive into what differentiates overseas moving from local or long distance moves. When discussing overseas moving services, we refer to a comprehensive set of objectives to transport your belongings from one country to another. These services go beyond what's required for a domestic move, incorporating specialized logistics, custom clearance, and international shipping regulations. What are the key differences between local, long distance, and international moves? Local moves are typically short distance within the same city or region and can usually be completed daily. Long distance moves cover greater distances within the same country and require more planning, but international moves are a whole different ballgame. They involve moving across countries and often even continents, bringing complexities like different legal requirements, custom regulations, and longer transit times. Planning overseas moves is not just about packing boxes. It involves meticulous organization and thorough research. Start planning for at least 6 months. This allows ample time to handle all necessary arrangements without unnecessary stress. First, research your destination country's living conditions, its culture, the climate, and legal requirements for residency. Set a realistic timeline and create a moving checklist with key milestones and deadlines. Remember to gather important documents like your passport, visa, work and residency permits, your medical records, and even financial documentation. So why should you choose SDC International Shipping for your big move? Selecting the right overseas moving company is so crucial. And here are a few key factors to consider. First, experience and reputation. Look for companies with a proven track record in international moves. Check their reputation through online reviews and testimonials. Second is service offered. Ensure the company offers a comprehensive range of services, from packing and unpacking to custom clearance and insurance. Third, accreditations. Verify if the company is accredited by industry organizations like the International Association of Movers. And fourth, customer support. Strong customer support is essential for addressing concerns and queries throughout the moving process. Here are some questions to ask potential movers. What is included in your moving estimate? Can you provide references or testimonials from past clients? What kind of insurance coverage do you offer? How do you handle custom clearance and documentation? What kind of services are offered by overseas moving companies? Overseas moving companies offer various services, including professional packing and unpacking, transportation and shipping options, custom crating for fragile items, and storage solutions. They also provide pet relocation services, vehicle shipping, and assistance with custom clearance. For example, at SDC International Shipping, we provide comprehensive support for every aspect of your international move. Our services include custom crating, secure storage, pet relocation, and even destination services to help you settle into your new home. Moving overseas is a significant life event that requires careful planning and the right support. By understanding the services provided, planning meticulously, and selecting the right movers, you can make your transition to a new country as seamless and stress-free as possible. At SDC International Shipping, we pride ourselves on being the premier choice for your international moving needs. So contact us today to start planning your journey to a new life abroad. Visit our website for a free estimate. Let us realize your relocation dreams with our tailored moving solutions and unwavering commitment to exceptional services. Thank you for listening. If you enjoyed this episode, please subscribe and leave a review. Until next time, happy moving.
We hope you enjoyed today's episode. Thanks for listening. Whether you're relocating within the country or moving to the other side of the world, we're here to help from start to finish. Connect with us today at 888-779-3962. That's 888-779-3962.